step-by-step guide to create the perfect LinkedIn profile that will help you land jobs, internships, and also make a personal brand. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Are you still thinking that LinkedIn is a boring social media platform? Well, think again. LinkedIn is literally like a digital business card. It's your resume and also your personal branding tool all rolled into one platform. I myself am super active on LinkedIn. I have more than 8,000 followers that I built in a very short span of time. And there are so many things I've learned about LinkedIn myself, how to make a good profile that actually stands out and that will help you land your dream internship, job, or whatever it is. So this video is going to be a beginner's guide, a step-by-step guide as to how you should make your LinkedIn profile from the start to the end. And alongside, I'll also show you mine and how I basically put in all the information. So let's get into it. Firstly, it's very important to understand that why does LinkedIn even matter? Why do you need a LinkedIn profile? And please don't think that LinkedIn is, just for people who have some professional experience. It is for people like you. It is for students. It is for freshers and anyone who is starting out. It is another tool to showcase who you are as a person and your achievements as well. And whether you believe it or not, it is the place where most of the companies look for talent. They look for people who they can actually hire, who have the required skill set, the required knowledge, the required achievements. And so many opportunities can come your way from LinkedIn. You just have to be prepared and put yourself out there. So let's make sure that you are ready for those opportunities. Let me show you how to make the perfect LinkedIn profile. Oh, by the way, add me on LinkedIn if you haven't already. I'll put the link in the comments and in the description. First up comes your headline. It's the first thing people will notice. It's the first thing that shows up when you search for a profile. And that's where having a killer headline that grabs attention is very important. And in your headline, you have to be very specific. You majorly write your key achievements over here. Or if you're just a student starting out, you can mention your college name. You can mention what you are doing at the moment. For example, if you're pursuing CA, that's something you can write down over here. For me, as you can see, I've written SRCC, I've written LSC, I've written myself being a YouTuber, and I've written Dabur, where I did an internship. If I had to put it in Gen Z words, whatever is the coolest thing that you've achieved, the most prominent thing that you've achieved, you're supposed to write that here. When I was in college, I had also mentioned that I was the vice president of the marketing society. So that's another position or responsibility that you can add here. If you run a business of something specific, you can add that over here. So basically, you can add in your key skills and your aspirations so that your profile stands out. Now, alongside your headline comes your profile picture. Your photo is your first impression. You should look formal because LinkedIn is not a social media platform, and that's why having a proper photo would be nice. I do receive a lot of your requests, and I've seen that the profile pictures of most people, most students, is very casual. At least you can be wearing something normal and looking in front of the camera directly. It's not your Instagram picture that you are looking sideways, you're putting a candid photo. No, don't do that. Now, if you don't want to get a professional picture clicked, you can just go to galaxy.ai. This is not sponsored or anything, but you can use their professional headshot generator. You just have to put in like 5 pictures of yourself. It will train the AI model and then they'll generate so many different types of professional photos for you. And then you can use one of those photos as your LinkedIn profile picture. You can check it out if you want. Now, along with the profile picture, you will notice that there's also sort of a banner picture that you have to put on LinkedIn. Obviously, because I am a content creator, I made the image a little more fun. But this picture totally depends on you and your vibe. You can keep it very simple. You can maybe just add a quote over here. You can just take a picture from Pinterest, maybe where there's like a laptop, a coffee mug, something of that sort. You don't have to think too much about this picture. Or for example, if you're running a business, maybe you can add something related to that business of yours over here. Now, the next section is the About section. This is the place where you can highlight everything that you want to share about yourself, more about your personality, what you're doing, what you've already achieved, what are you working towards, some things like this. You have to be concise. It doesn't have to be a very, very long essay or some storyline over here. No, be concise but be impactful truthful about what you're writing. Now, if I look at mine, I have just written that, I'm Ananya, I'm from SRCC, and basically, what am I doing on LinkedIn? So, as I'm a content creator right now, so I've written about that. You can check out my LinkedIn profile. But if you're a college student, then you can write something like who you are. For example, you are an undergraduate student in whichever college, whatever course you're pursuing, then what you've already done, like maybe you could be a part of a society, you could be heading a society. Like I would probably write that I've led a team of 80 students as a vice president of the marketing society of my college. I've hosted multiple events. I run a YouTube channel. These are some things I would write. Then, for example, if you wanted a job, if you wanted an internship, you can also talk about that here. That you are looking to explore roles in marketing, branding, or whatever your niche is or whatever you are interested in. And I'm sure we all know how to use ChatGPT. I hope you are making full use of that. You can simply go there, write in like all the information about yourself, what you want to put in the about section, and ChatGPT will write a really nice 2-3 paragraphs for you that you can simply put here. It's very simple. You don't have to overthink it this much. Now, next important section for you is going to be the experiences. And when it comes to experience, it's not just like a list of your roles you've done, but it actually shows the achievements you've made so far. So whenever you add a new experience, along with that, you can also mention certain bullet points about what exactly you did in that role. That is what actually makes the impact, because it shows that you actually did something in that role and it wasn't just another thing that you just wanted to add in your LinkedIn profile. And make sure whenever you're writing those bullet points to use action words. I'll put a list of action words on the screen like led, organized, and achieved. These words are really impactful even in your LinkedIn profile and your CV as well. Now, for example, if I had to just quickly show you what my experience profile looks like, I've put in that I'm a content creator on YouTube. I've done an internship at Dabur. I was the vice president at the Marketing Society. I've also mentioned a couple of other internships I did while I was in college. I've also written the different societies I was part of. But of course, if you're a student or if you're a fresher just starting out, it's okay if you do not have a lot of things to write in the experience section, because over time you will build this, right? So don't worry about it. Just do internships, just take positions of responsibility in college, you will be fine. The next thing you can do is add your skills and also get endorsements for those skills. And this section is especially gold for recruiters. If someone looks at your profile, they'll know exactly what you're good at, because having a very good skill set is very important in today's job market, or even if you want to do any internship. So add at least 10 skills that are relevant to your field, to your interest, or the kind of opportunities you're looking for. For example, in mine, I've put communication, negotiation, digital marketing. And in this, you can also politely maybe ask your classmates, your teachers, professors, or even your mentors to endorse those skills for you. That basically gives you credibility, because someone else has, confirmed that you know those skills and you are good at it. And just like the experiences section, I'll quickly take you to the other sections. They are very straightforward. You just have to add in your basic details like education. So you mentioned what school you studied at, what college you are currently studying in. Then comes the licenses and certifications. If you have any, you can add them in here. There's also a different section for volunteering. So if in case you've done any kind of social work, volunteering work, add that in. Then comes the honors and awards. If you've received any kind of awards in your school, in your college, make sure to add them in here as well. Then there's a section for test scores. Over here, apart from just adding your class 10th and 12th board exam results, you could also maybe put in any Olympiads that you've given if you've got a good score, a good rank. In languages, if you've learned any different kind of language, feel free to add that in as well. And that is an overview of your entire LinkedIn profile. And apart from just mentioning all your achievements on your LinkedIn profile, you can also create posts and share all the new achievements that you make from now on. You can share it with your network. You can also mention the lessons you've learned, or if you'd like to share something interesting with your network, you can post about anything that interests you and you think might be useful for other people as well. For example, if you hosted an event at your college, you can talk about that, what you learned by hosting that event. Or if you're starting a new internship, you can talk about that. You can also maybe share the process of how you exactly landed that internship, because I'm sure that will help a lot of other people too. And at the same time, make sure to engage with the posts of other people, because because that will help you to stay visible on LinkedIn and also network with other people. And apart from all of this, LinkedIn also has some really cool features and tools that you can use yourself to level up. For example, if you're looking for a job, an internship, you can use their feature of open to work. So basically that shows up on your profile, and in case a recruiter finds you suitable, they can directly reach out to you on LinkedIn. Let's say you're a business owner and you want to hire people, so you can put a label of hashtag hiring, and then people, if they're looking for jobs or internships, they can reach out to you too. Last but not the least, I also want to quickly talk about how you can network like a pro on LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn it's not just about having a profile but actually building relationships. So just start off by connecting with the people you already know. They could be your classmates, your college mates, your professors, in case you've done internships, so people from that company, you can connect with them. And mostly as your students, you will probably look for internships on LinkedIn, and for that purpose the best way to network is to simply send requests to people who already work in that company, and especially those people who can actually help you get an internship as well, maybe the HR from that company. And don't just send like generic connection requests, because it is likely that they might not accept your request. So you can always add a personal note as to why you are reaching out to them. If there's something you admire about them, why do you want to work with them, you can mention those details in very short sentences in your personal note. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Now is the perfect time to build a profile on LinkedIn and also stand out with all the tips I've given. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn as well. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.